Alright, so if you're struggling to convert website visitors into paying customers, you're probably missing one simple tool, Claspo. In this video, I'll show you how this powerful pop-up builder can skyrocket your conversions in minutes. Alright, so here is the deal. E-commerce brands using gamified pop-ups have seen conversions jump by 400% compared to generic traditional pop-ups. Engagement also shot up by 50%, which means more people are actually paying attention to this. So I wanted to see if gamification really works. So I searched for a website widget platform to create and launch a wheel of fortune on my website. So plenty of pop-up builders exist, but few offer gamification. And when they do, it's usually locked behind pricey plans. So when I found Claspo offering lifetime free full access to advanced features, including gamified pop-ups, I was greatly surprised. So let's see how it works. I want to add two gamified widgets to my website, a welcome pop-up for new visitors and an exit intent one to retain those about to leave. Now, I want you to know Clapspo has an extensive library of over 1,000 pre-designed templates, including gamified ones. I will use the gamification filter to save time and see the option we need. So I pick a ready-made spin-to-win template, and now I'm going to head over to the editor. So right here, I can customize the template. I can change the colors, change images, tweak the text, the button shapes, and my brand font, and make one brand style easy. So I can add a countdown timer to trigger FOMO and prompt action. So just drag and drop it into the template. Very easy and very simple to do. You can also switch to mobile view to make sure everything looks clean and works smoothly on any device. Very important. Now let's go ahead and set up our rewards. So I can add prizes, I can set winning odds and create unique promo codes. So if I want to get the bigger discount to appear less often, you are in control of this. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and click on the wheel, open the general tab and select edit rewards. Then I can click add rewards and choose between a percentage discount or a custom price. So since discounts are already on the wheel, I'll pick custom. In the details field, I can enter my price like free shipping. Just don't forget to update the promo code to match. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is to make sure that the spin the wheel pop-up shows up at the perfect moment. Everything looks good, so I save the design and head to the display rules. Now I want this welcome widget to appear for new visitors who have spent some time on the site. Now the default settings are simple and user friendly. Of course, it shows once per session, pops up after 20 seconds on the page, and stops after a user subscribes. So I'm mostly happy with this, but I want it to trigger after 20 seconds on the site, not just the page, and changing that takes just one click. Next, I'll scroll down a little further and activate the display for new visitors. Now, the next thing we should do is to learn how to create an exit intent pop-up with different text and a no trigger, but the same general design. Instead of starting from scratch, we'll just copy the existing widget and tweak it. In the dashboard, go to widgets, click the three dots on the desired pop-up and select copy from the drop-down and then go ahead and edit. Now, the welcome widget uses a floating box layout, but I want the exit intent as a pop-up. To change it, just select the option in the upper right corner and I will update the widget text. And that's it. So let's move on to the display conditions. Since the display rules are copied from the welcome variant, we will deactivate the time breach trigger and new visitor targeting. Then activate the exit intent. And that's it. It's that simple to do. So overall, Claspo has many other targeting options such as geolocation and UTM sources. So these are more advanced triggers options using the data layer for deeper personalization and targeting based on the site events and user behavior. If you want to learn how to use them, contact Claspo support. They are always available for help and additional guidance. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like a step-by-step tutorial. Claspo isn't just about great-looking pop-ups, it's about making them work for your business. It integrates smoothly with the most popular ESPS, CRMS, and CMSs like Mailchimp, Salesforce, and WordPress. No complicated setup, just a few clicks and we are good to go. Also, with the webhooks and Zapier, we can connect Claspo to hundreds of other apps, ensuring our data flows exactly where we need it. Right now, how do we measure a widget's effectiveness? We've set it up and are ready to roll out our wheel of fortune, but how do we know if it is working effectively? To measure the success of your spin the wheel pop-ups, start by tracking how they impact traffic. If you notice a spike in visits, it's a good sign your pop-up is grabbing attention. Next, look at how many leads you are capturing, emails and phone numbers. If the numbers are low, your offer might just need an upgrade. Conversions are another key factor. It's great to connect leads, but are they actually taking actions like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter? If not, tweaking the incentive or timing could also help. Also, I need you to pay attention to engagement. Yeah, engagement. Even if people interact with the wheel but don't complete the action, the price or messaging might not be compelling enough. Thinking about Claspo A and B testing. The good news is that Claspo has a built-in A and B testing tool, so you don't need to use an additional service. Testing different designs, prices, or timing lets you compare results and see what works best. Now, how do you get started with Claspo? So if you're ready to try spin the wheel pop-ups yourself, here is how to get started. Simply go over to your Google browser or any browser of your choice and search for Claspo. Now sign up with your email, your social media account, Google or Shopify. So once you've done that, you immediately get access to the free lifetime plan. It gives you unlimited access to the entire template library and all features, including advanced ones such as gamification, multi-step of forms, and smart triggers. Now go ahead and choose a template, customize it, and set up your spin the wheel pop-up in minutes. Integrate it with your ESP or CRM and publish the widget. And that's it. You have it, guys. A fast, free, and zero code way to grow your email list with gamification. So with Claspo Lifetime Free Plan, you can run 3 widgets on one site at the same time with up to 30,000 page views per month. If you need more, choose a paid plan that fits your needs. The plans are affordable, and with my promo code, you will get 20% off any monthly or annual plan you get to sign up with. So don't miss out the chance to add more interactivity to your site and save on this powerful tool for creating high converting widgets. See my other videos. Take care of yourself and bye.